I want to take a trip with you. Yeah, trip would be nice, but it's Corona, dude. I've been looking at this thing for 10 months that I've been staying in this apartment in Tbilisi, Georgia. The original plan was to stay 2 months, then I ended up staying 10 because of Corona. Here's a Chanel. I always kind of liked her. But now I'm moving to a new place, something bigger, more light, less cold. And I came back to clean this place. I wanted to give it back to the landlord in a nice condition. So I came back, been cleaning for 2 days, and it's been super awesome for some reason. Just the process of cleaning has been so good. Like, I'm meticulously cleaning everything. I'm still not done. I'm working on the stove right now. And I think the reason why it feels so good is because it's Corona. It makes you feel powerless, like you can't control anything. But the cleaning, I can control it. I know what I gotta do, and then I do it, and then it's clean.